Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make thumbnails for Gumroad. First, let's understand the basic requirements. Gumroad typically displays images at a specific aspect ratio, so designing with this in mind is crucial. Your thumbnail is the first visual impression, so make it count. A clear, high-resolution image will always stand out and draw more attention to your product listings. When designing, simplicity is key. Focus on one strong image that clearly showcases your product. Avoid clutter and too much text. A few impactful words are usually enough. Remember, people scroll quickly, so your message needs to be instant. Also, maintaining consistent branding helps build recognition and trust with your audience across all your Gumroad offerings. You don't need expensive software to create great thumbnails. Free online tools like Canva or Photopea are excellent choices. For optimal clarity, aim for a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This size ensures your image looks sharp on various screens. Once your design is perfect, export it as a JPG or PNG file for the best quality and compatibility with Gumroad. After creating your thumbnail, don't just set it and forget it. Experiment with different designs to see which ones attract the most clicks and conversions. Always ensure your thumbnail accurately represents your product to avoid misleading potential buyers. A great thumbnail is honest and engaging. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, upload your optimized image to Gumroad and watch your sales grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.